Hi everyone, if you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to delete chat on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete chat in the Qwen app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the time like button at the top right corner, just right here. Now tap on it. Now here you can find all of the chats that you have started in the Qwen app. Now to delete it, simply tap onto delete button at the side, just right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see the chat has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete chat in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.